I welcome you to my grammar class. The topic is prepositions. In my previous class, I have already discussed before you use of art, in, on as a preposition in different sentences. Now we shall discuss about use of some prepositions as preposition of place. Now you see how preposition over and above used as preposition of place. Over and above. Over means both vertically above and higher than, whereas above means higher than. Means over means both vertically above and higher than, whereas above means only higher than. For example, vertically means lamba bhavre. Vertically means lamba bhavre. Example 1, the aeroplane is flying over the head. Aeroplane is flying over the head, vertically above. He hung a calendar over the fireplace. Calendar, hung the calendar vertically above means over the fireplace. Straight. Next, these two sentences shows how the preposition over says vertically above. Next, sentence number 3. There is a temple above the house. The temple is higher level of the house. The temple is higher level of the house. It above means at higher level. Attendants held a large umbrella over and above the chief's head, and held a large umbrella over and above the chief's head. Over and above means at higher level. Next you see, dear student, over has also the meaning of across. Across means parihava, atikrama kariba. Across from one side to the other, or to the other side. Or, for example, there is a bridge over the river. Here, over means across the river, from one side to other. He jumped over the brook. Means, here over means he climbed over the wall. Here over means from one side to the other. He climbed over the wall means to the other side. Next example, he is famous all over the world. All over the world means in every part of. Here, all over means in every part of. He traveled all over the Europe. Here, all over means in every part of Europe. So, here, all over preposition says every part of. Now you see, both over and above express the sense of in a number, weight, and more than. Both over and above express the sense of in number, weight, and a more than. Here means applicants over or above the age of 30 must not apply. Here over and above means sense of number. Above, more than. Here over and above means more than. The age of 30 must not apply. Dear students, now let us see the use of under, below and beneath as preposition of place. Under indicates a position lower than. It also means directly below. See the example. The cat is sitting under the table. Under the table means below the table, directly below the table. He is sitting under the tree, directly below the tree. She is carrying her handbag under her arms. Correct. He hide his face under the bedclothes. Bedclothes means within the bedclothes. Now you see the use of under. Here the under means directly below. Next we see the use of under. Under is also figuratively used to mean less than. Figuratively, सामान्यतम भावरे to mean less than. कम, टिके कम. The children under the age of 5, जो पिलामाने 5 वर्षରୁ कम, cannot be admitted to this school. His income per month is under 5,000, within 5,000. Bitare. He has about 50 workers under him. Tanko adhinare, under means adhinare. He has about 50 workers under him. Now you see the use of under. Here under means less than. Dear students, now you see use of below. It means lower than. For example, when the sun sets, it goes below the horizon. Shall I write my name below the line? Your work is below the average. It is also, that means lower than. He must be below 60 years of age. Below means under. So, you see how below is used in different sentences. In all these sentences, the meaning of below is lower than. Next you see beneath. Beneath means also under. It means directly under something. Directly under something. To or in lower position than something. Lower position. The dolphins disappeared. Example. The dolphin disappeared beneath the waves. Wave tale, they disappear. Dolphins. Here beneath means under. The ground was slippery beneath her. Means also under. Directly under. Next we see Under is used figuratively to mean lower, less important job. Lower or less important job, position or rank. Less important job, lower position and lower rank. For example, she has married Bennett Hall, means lower position, lower rank. Bennett. He regarded Prime Ministership itself as Bennett or dignity. Here means Bennett or rank, position. So we see the use of Bennett as preposition of a place. Now you see preposition through. It means entering at one side or on one surface, etc., and coming out at the other. The road goes through the forest from one side to other side. The Mahanadi flows through Odisha from one side to other side. It is also figuratively used. He has come through many hardships. Here, through means coming out from the hardship. He has come through many hardships. Now you see the preposition across. It means from one side to the other. Across means from one side to the other. For example, there is a bridge across the river. The bridge connects from one side to other side. Draw a line across the page from one side to other. It also means art on the other side of. Across means art or on the other side of. The house is just across the street. Art on the other side of. Means a proper place. Means a proper place in the other side of. Dear students, now the grammar class on preposition of place is going to over. Thank you all. Wait for the next class and we shall discuss other prepositions which are used as a preposition of place in the next class. Again, thank you all.